So let's start from basics and let's set the base. Take about 1/3 cup or 100 grams of melted butter and coat them from all sides. This is going to give us that golden, crispy crust we love without needing a pan. Place the buttered slices in your air fryer basket. Set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and toast for 5 minutes. While those get nice and toasty, we've got time to make the filling. First, take canned tuna and drain the liquid. Add about 2 tablespoons of tuna into a mixing bowl. Next, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now add in about 1 teaspoon of capers and chop them finely. They bring a salty, briny punch that balances out all the creamy elements in the mix. Then, grab 1 dill pickle and dice it up into small cubes. You want it finely chopped so it blends easily into the mix, but still big enough to give you that satisfying crunch. Of course, what would a tuna mix be without a little fresh parsley? Grab a small handful, give it a nice chop, and toss in about 1 tablespoon. Now grab half of a red onion and chop it up finely. Red onion works great here because it's got that mild sharpness without being too overpowering. Then add about 1 tablespoon of mayo. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for a zesty kick, and finish it off with a little black pepper. What would you add to this fillings? Let us know in the comments. We're always up for new ideas. By now, your bread should be toasted and we are ready to add our mixture. Spoon the tuna mixture onto 2 slices. Spread it out evenly, not too thick, not too thin. Then, add a slice of cheese on top. Gouda or American cheese both work great here. You can go with something that melts well. Now take your remaining 2 slices of bread, butter sides again, and place them on top. Pop the basket back, set it again to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for another 5 minutes. About 1 minute before it finishes, open up the air fryer and sprinkle a little shredded mozzarella on top. It's going to be a light layer for that extra meltiness we all love. Time's up. Now open the fryer slowly. And just look at that. Golden crust, melted cheese, and a filling that's creamy, tangy, and full of flavor. These tuna melts are the real deal. Crunchy, satisfying, and surprisingly light. A perfect quick meal when you want something homemade without the hassle. What would you add to make it your own? Drop your ideas in the comments. Always happy to hear your take. If this recipe made you hungry, give it a like. Subscribe for more easy air fryer recipes. And we'll see you in the next one.